These affirmations restore your energy, cleanse your aura, and realign your inner field. You are not just a body, you are energy in motion, a living field of awareness, light, and presence. Welcome to Cosmic Field across oceans, countries, and time zones. We are connected in one shared frequency of clarity, renewal, and alignment. Let the words move through you. Let them reset your energy naturally. Let them straighten your inner field. Stay open, stay aware, stay aligned. Let's begin to step into your real self. I cleanse my aura with light, love, and intention. My energy field is strong, pure, and radiant. I release any energies that are not mine with love and gratitude. I let go of what no longer serves me. I am clear, centered, and aligned. My aura glows with vibrant, healing light. I welcome divine energy into every layer of my being. I am surrounded by protective light at all times. Every breath I take renews my aura with peace and strength. I am no longer affected by negative energies of others. I trust in my ability to reset and recharge. I attract only what is aligned with love, light, and truth. My aura reflects my inner peace and balance. I visualize white light cleansing and expanding around me. I am connected to the universal flow of energy. I reclaim all parts of my energy that I have given away. I return to my wholeness now. I forgive and release all energetic codes of the past. I am surrounded by a shield of golden light. Nothing can enter my field that is not for my highest good. I am safe, protected, and divinely guided. Each color of my aura shines brighter with every breath. I cleanse all fear, tension, and negativity from my energy. I call back my power fully and completely. I am sensitive, but I am also powerful. I transmute lower energies into higher frequencies of love. My aura is expanding with grace and ease. I radiate calm, love, and high vibration wherever I go. People feel safe and uplifted in my presence. I am magnetic to light, love, and positivity. As I move through the world, I carry a field of harmony. I trust my energy to guide and protect me. My aura is aligned with the highest version of myself. Every thought I choose uplifts my frequency. Every emotion I release creates more space for clarity. Every breath I take renews my aura's brightness. I honor my energy. I protect my light. I choose to remain grounded and radiant. Right now, I am whole. Right now, I am clear. Right now, I am light. You have just cleansed your energy field with the power of intention, awareness, and light. Feel the difference in your body, your breath, and your space. Your aura is now renewed, vibrant, clear, and fully your own. Thank you for restoring your energy with cosmic field. Return to this practice wherever you feel heavy, unclear, or disconnected. Always remember, you are light, you are powerful, you are protected. Until next time, step into your real self.